Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to put your Instagram link on Facebook bio. But before anything else, please subscribe to this channel if you want more tips and tricks just like this. So the first thing you need to do is open your Facebook app. So let's try it right here. So now tap on your profile on the top left corner, which is the small circle right here. And then, in this option, you have to tap on the three dots on the right next to See Dashboard. In some cases, some accounts, they might have the edit profile. So if they have that, you can tap on it too. So right here, tap on it and then go to edit, which is the first option right here. Now, scroll down till you find links. Now, when you get to links, tap on add. And then this is where you start adding your social link. So now tap on add social link and then you will have to choose a platform, which is right here. So now in this case, we will use Instagram. And then if you know your username, just type right in and then hit done. So now once it's done, you can now start saving it and it will be automatically updated on your profile. So now to find out if people can see it, you can now go back to the profile settings and then tap on view as. So we can see if your profile has been updated. So now go to about section. And then you can see that your Instagram profile is now ready and right here. Now, if you are a viewer on your profile, they will take you directly to your Instagram profile. So now hope this video helped you a lot, and that is all. So thanks for watching.